Hello, today we are making a simple 3-ingredient ice cream. We're using 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Let's get started. We're basically just going to dump it all in there and blend it up and put it in the freezer. We're going to start with our heavy whipping cream. Gonna dump the whole thing right in there. Now we're gonna add our carnation sweetened condensed milk. We are way over the fill line. I was worried this was gonna happen. Not to worry, we do have a backup plan. So that is entirely too much for the NutriBullet. Fortunately for me, my house is well equipped. Just gonna use the immersion blender now. Isn't that a lovely mess? Bet it's gonna taste good. Alright, we're just gonna pop the lid on this so we don't have pressure. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer. Just gonna let this sit in the freezer overnight and we'll see how it is tomorrow. Alright. Our ice cream has been frozen overnight, and the lid, it was very hard to get off. I had to use some hot water on that or it wasn't going to go. As you can see, it's set up nice and firm. Pretty hard on my spoon. Some very firm ice cream for only being 3 ingredients. Yeah. That tastes like genuine vanilla ice cream. I'm very surprised that it doesn't have some kind of weird taste to it, only being 3 ingredients, but it tastes like genuine ice cream. Again, there was only vanilla, heavy cream, and a can of condensed milk. So again, there was only heavy cream, a can of condensed milk, and vanilla in this. And it has turned out very hard, very creamy. So you can see very hard. I'm going to ruin the spoon. But this is some good quality ice cream. Way better than getting Breyers or one of those cheap store brands. I'd definitely make this again if I just want a little treat, a little something for myself. Highly approve. Thanks for watching.